The major scale is a sequence of 7 notes and it follows a specific pattern of whole and half steps. This pattern for a major scale is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 and half. So let's actually apply this pattern to the piano. We'll start with the C major scale because it only consists of white keys, making it a great starting point. So begin on the note of C and follow the pattern. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And there you have it, you just played the C major scale. It's really that simple. The major scale has a distinctive, happy and bright sound. It's a fundamental building block in Western music, and you'll hear it in countless songs, from classical to pop. Now let's try playing the C major scale with your left hand as well. The more you practice, the more comfortable and versatile you become with this scale. And both hands. Alright, one of the great things about the major scale is that you can easily transpose it to start on any note. For example, if you wanted to play the G major scale, you'd start on the G and apply the same whole and half step pattern. Or you could do D, or E, or any key. As long as you apply the same formula, you can build the major scale on any key. So now that you can play the C major scale, you can apply it to any key. So practice it in all 12 keys. Understanding the major scale is a fundamental skill for any musician. It opens the door to a world of melodies, harmonies, and compositions. So keep practicing, experiment with different major scales, and enjoy your musical journey. Thanks for watching again, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.